Hello, welcome to my YouTube video. Today we're diving into our tutorial on the digestive system. In this video, we will delve into the intriguing realm of digestion and understand how our bodies decompose food to extract essential nutrients and power. The digestive system is a complex network of organs and tissues that work together to process the food we eat. It starts with the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva to begin the process of digestion. From the mouth, the food travels down the esophagus and into the stomach. Here, it is mixed with stomach acid and enzymes that break it down further. The stomach also acts as a storage tank, holding food until it is ready to move on to the next stage of digestion. Next, the partially digested food enters the small intestine, where the majority of nutrient absorption takes place. The small intestine is lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. Nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to the cells throughout the body. After the small intestine, the remaining waste material enters the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed from the waste, making it more solid. The large intestine also houses trillions of bacteria that help break down any remaining nutrients and produce vitamins. Finally, the waste material is eliminated from the body through the rectum and anus in the form of stool. The digestive system is a remarkable process that allows our bodies to obtain the energy and nutrients needed for survival. It is important to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle to support optimal digestion. Thank you for watching our video on the digestive system. We hope you found it informative and interesting. Voiceover. Before we wrap up, we'd like to take a moment to thank you for joining us on this journey through the digestive system. If you found our content helpful and want to learn more about the human body, please consider subscribing to our channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure you don't miss out on any of our future videos. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a like and share it with your friends. Your support helps us in creating more content like this. Remember, your body is an amazing machine, and understanding how it works is the first step to living a healthier life. Thank you once again for your time and your support. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.